Nenyala. This one you called me today, Nenyala.
How are you now?
I'm okay. Seeing you have made me okay.
I have a surprise for you.
Really?
Yes,
What is the surprise now?
Okay, my landlord just gave me a quick notice today.
How is that one a surprise now?
It's a surprise. I'm coming to stay with you 3 good days.
Okay. That one is now a surprise. All kinds of surprise. 3 days.
3 days.
So this your blessing will be on my bed for 3 days.
Yeah? You will see my beautiful face for 3 good days. 3 days.
I can't wait.
I have another surprise for you.
What is it again, Naya?
Yeah, so okay, let me tell you the surprise. You will not touch me, oh. You will not touch me. You will not even see my pint. Talk more of you even touching this breast. You will not, oh.
Naya, why now?
Hey, you know I'm engaged now. You know I'm engaged. Eh?
Okay, no, it's true.
I did not tell you.
It's true.
I did not see my post on Facebook.
Okay, Naya. Me too. I have a surprise for you.
What surprise?
You can't stay in my house, Naya. You can't stay in my house, yeah? You can't stay in my house. That's the surprise.
Why now?
Because my grandmother is living with me and I don't know where she will go.
You can lie? Hey, it's not fair. It's not fair. Just last week your mother just died, your grandmother.
Yes, my grandmother is dead, but her split is staying with me. I'm living with her split. I don't know where her split will go.
It's not fair.
In a choice, because
MC never fails.